Breastfeeding is one of the most natural and beautiful ways to nourish your newborn, but for many new moms, it can feel confusing at first. If you're a new mother or expecting your baby soon, this video will guide you through Breastfeeding 101, everything you need to know to start confidently. Breast milk is often called a baby's first vaccine because it contains essential nutrients, antibodies, and enzymes that protect your baby from infections and help healthy growth. It is perfectly designed for your baby and changes according to their needs as they grow. In the first hour after birth, your body produces colostrum. This thick, yellowish milk is rich in immunity-boosting properties and is extremely important for newborns. Even small amounts are enough in the beginning. One of the most important parts of successful breastfeeding is proper latch. A good latch means your baby's mouth covers most of the areola, not just the nipple. Your baby's chin should touch your breast, lips should be flanged outward, and feeding should feel comfortable, not painful. If you feel pain, gently break the latch and try again. Newborns usually feed every 2 to 3 hours, including at night. This frequent feeding helps establish your milk supply. Remember, breastfeeding works on demand and supply. The more your baby feeds, the more milk your body produces. Many new moms worry about whether their baby is getting enough milk. Signs that your baby is feeding well include regular wet diapers, steady weight gain, and a calm, satisfied baby after feeding. It's also important to find a comfortable position. Common breastfeeding positions include cradle hold, cross cradle hold, football hold, and side lying position. Choose the one that feels best for you and your baby. Breastfeeding challenges like sore nipples, engorgement, or low milk supply are common in the early days. These issues usually improve with correct latch, frequent feeding, and proper guidance. Don't hesitate to seek help from a lactation consultant or healthcare professional. For moms, breastfeeding also offers benefits. It helps the uterus contract after birth, supports postpartum recovery, and reduces the risk of certain cancers later in life. Most importantly, remember that every breastfeeding journey is unique. Be patient with yourself and your baby. With time, practice, and support, breastfeeding becomes easier and deeply rewarding. You're doing an amazing job, Mama. Trust your body, trust your baby, and take it one feed at a time.